There's something truly magical about looking at an ordinary fallen branch and seeing more than just a piece of wood. It's seeing potential, an opportunity to unlock nature's artistry and transform it into something that brings warmth, beauty, and meaning into your home. The journey of crafting decor from branches is not just about design, it's about storytelling. Every curve, knot, and imperfection carries a natural elegance that no factory-made item can replicate. When you unlock the magic of branches, you invite nature's soul into your living space, and in doing so, you create a bridge between art, sustainability, and purpose. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stunning eco-chic home decor ideas by transforming fallen branches wood. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Imagine walking through a forest after a light rain. The ground is rich with life. The air smells of fresh earth, and among the scattered leaves lie branches of all shapes and sizes. To some, these are remnants of the forest cycle, but to the creative eye, they are nature's gifts, the raw materials of imagination. In a world filled with mass-produced decor and identical furnishings, branch-based home decor stands out as something deeply personal and timeless. With just a touch of craftsmanship, a bit of patience, and a dash of creativity, you can turn these forgotten fragments into sculptures, wall accents, centerpieces, and lighting fixtures that embody both art and emotion. The beauty of crafting with branches lies in its simplicity and sustainability. You don't need expensive equipment or rare materials to begin. Nature already provides everything: shapes that inspire, textures that tell stories, and colors that complement any interior palette. Each piece you craft from wood is unique, not only because no two branches are ever alike, but also because each creation carries a part of you, your choices, your vision, and your respect for nature. From the rough, organic edges to the smooth, hand-polished finishes, every detail adds depth and authenticity to your space. These natural contours and grains radiate warmth, creating a sense of calm and grounding in any home, especially in today's fast-paced, technology-driven world. Beyond aesthetics, branch decor carries meaning. It symbolizes growth, transformation, and harmony with the earth. When you incorporate branch art into your living space, you are choosing to celebrate life's imperfections, to see beauty in what others might overlook. A simple branch sculpture on a shelf or a set of branch-inspired wall hooks can evoke feelings of nostalgia and connection, reminding us of nature's quiet resilience. In this sense, crafting from branches becomes a deeply meditative act, one that not only results in beautiful home decor, but also nurtures mindfulness and gratitude. This approach to home design also taps into a powerful modern movement, the return to sustainable living. As awareness of environmental impact grows, more homeowners are turning to decor that tells a story of renewal and responsibility. Branch-based creations perfectly embody this spirit. They give new purpose to what might have been discarded, reducing waste while bringing natural charm into our homes. Every branch you repurpose becomes a small act of environmental stewardship, transforming waste into wonder. It's a subtle but powerful reminder that luxury doesn't have to come at the expense of the planet. True luxury is rooted in authenticity and consciousness. Handcrafted branch decor also aligns beautifully with modern interior trends that blend rustic charm with contemporary elegance. Whether your style leans toward minimalism, bohemian chic, or cozy farmhouse, the organic form of branches effortlessly complements them all. Picture a sleek living room with a single sculptural branch centerpiece, its texture contrasting beautifully against clean lines and neutral tones. Or imagine a bedroom illuminated by a handmade branch lamp, casting soft, dappled shadows across the walls, adding an ethereal touch that no store-bought fixture could replicate. These pieces don't just decorate spaces, they transform them into living art galleries filled with soul and story. And for those who dream of turning creativity into profit, the magic of branches extends far beyond personal expression. Branch crafts have a strong appeal in the home decor market because they combine uniqueness, sustainability, and emotional value. Buyers today are not just purchasing decor, they're investing in meaning. They want items that stand out, pieces that feel handcrafted rather than mass-produced. A branch candle holder, a wall rack, or a sculpted centerpiece can fetch impressive prices in the market, not only because of its beauty, but also because of the narrative behind it, a story of transformation, craftsmanship, and eco-consciousness. What began as a hobby for relaxation and self-expression can easily evolve into a small business that thrives on creativity and purpose. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. There's also a profound sense of fulfillment that comes from crafting with natural materials. Every project connects you to something bigger, to the cycles of growth and decay, to the quiet wisdom of the earth, and to the joy of creating something that will bring happiness to others. When you work with branches, you learn patience and intuition. The wood often guides you, its natural form suggesting what it wants to become. Sometimes a twist in the grain might inspire a candle stand, while a forked branch could become the base of a rustic lamp. Each creation feels like a collaboration between human imagination and nature's design. Branch-based decor also offers flexibility for all skill levels. Beginners can start small, perhaps crafting simple photo frames, hanging ornaments, or plant stands, while more experienced woodworkers can experiment with furniture pieces or intricate sculptures. The beauty lies not in perfection, but in authenticity. Even the smallest project, when crafted with care, carries immense charm and emotional value. Over time, as your confidence grows, you'll find yourself pushing creative boundaries, blending natural wood with glass, metal, or fabric to create pieces that are both modern and timeless. Incorporating branch art into your home also brings emotional warmth that no synthetic material can match. It changes how a space feels more grounded, more alive. A branch coffee table centerpiece or a cluster of branch wall hangings can make a room feel instantly more inviting. These elements remind us of the forests, of sunlight filtering through leaves, of the serenity that nature offers. They infuse spaces with a quiet magic that connects people not only to the decor, but to the stories behind it. Ultimately, unlocking the magic of branches is about more than crafting. It's about reconnecting with what matters most. It's about finding beauty in simplicity, purpose in creativity, and balance between art and nature. It teaches us that meaningful decor doesn't have to come from expensive materials or complex designs. It can be born from the humblest elements, shaped by imagination and love. In a time when the world feels increasingly artificial, bringing nature back into our homes through handcrafted wooden decor is an act of both creativity and mindfulness. Every project becomes a reflection of your values, a statement that beauty and sustainability can coexist. When you craft from branches, you aren't just decorating your home, you're crafting stories, preserving moments, and leaving behind a legacy of thoughtful design. So the next time you see a fallen branch, don't overlook it, embrace it. See the possibilities hidden in its texture, its shape, its imperfections. Because within that simple piece of wood lies the potential to create something extraordinary, something that fills your home with warmth, character, and eco-conscious charm. It's time to let your imagination flow, to build with purpose, and to bring the magic of nature indoors, one branch at a time. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stunning eco-chic home decor ideas by transforming fallen branches wood. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.